Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 5 can't even get through a meeting, you're not alone. This issue commonly arises from a failing battery, which can deteriorate over time due to regular use and charging cycles. If left unresolved, you may find yourself unable to use your device when you need it most, leading to missed opportunities and frustration. To tackle this battery replacement, you'll need a few tools: a heat gun, a plastic opening tool, a Torx T5 screwdriver, a new battery specifically designed for the Surface Pro 5, and some adhesive strips to secure the new battery in place. Now, let's get started with the repair process. First, power down your Surface Pro 5 completely and disconnect any accessories. Next, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the device, which will soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Once the device is warm, take your plastic opening tool and carefully insert it between the screen and the casing. Work your way around the edges to slowly lift the screen away from the body, taking care not to apply too much pressure as you go. As you open the device, you will notice the battery positioned on the right side. This is the component that likely needs replacing. To remove the battery, first, disconnect the battery connector by gently lifting it from the motherboard with your plastic tool. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. After the connector is free, remove the screws holding the battery in place using the Torx T5 screwdriver. Remember to keep track of the screws, as losing them can complicate the reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the old battery out of the case. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it's secure. Before reassembling, double-check that no wires are pinched or damaged. Now, it's time to carefully place the screen back onto the device. Apply gentle pressure around the edges to ensure the adhesive bonds well. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After ensuring everything is in place, power on your Surface Pro 5 to verify that the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery, avoid leaving it plugged in for extended periods, and always use the official charger. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.